Hello everybody, Michael Holman here with Curt's Clocks, the Atmos repair specialist. I want to take a moment to just suggest that you do not start your Atmos clock with the hands like you see some people saying on the internet that that's how they start them. Sure, you can get away with it, but the reason why I don't want you to do that is because it puts a lot of stress on the palate fork. That's this here. And again, if you haven't seen the how to start your Atmos clock video that I have and you don't know the parts identification, you might want to go back and watch that, because that way you can see what I'm talking about if you don't know which part is the palate fork. Anyway, it's the one here that's coming up that captures the roller and then releases it and ticks off a tooth and releases the power and moves your minute hand for you. You can start it by just moving the minute hand clockwise and it will throw that roller, but the reason you don't want to do that is because it could put so much stress. It puts the weight of that balance wheel that you would normally be turning with your fingers to start, it puts the weight and stress of that on the prong of your palate fork, and eventually, you know, doing that over and over again, you do get a out of shape palate fork. What happens is the gap between the two sides, the two prongs on each side, the gap widens pretty large, and then that causes a little bit of interruption when you're receiving and releasing the palate fork. So that's why I suggest in the video that I have there and in my instructions that you carefully rotate the wheel down here with your fingers like so, and then release, you know, after you've got the roller all the way around about 275 degrees, I suggest. It doesn't have to be exact, but after you have your roller all the way around to the opposite side like so, you can let go of the balance wheel down here with your fingers and let it go, and you start that way, and then you don't put all that stress on your palate fork. As always, thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, and watching the videos, and thank you for your interest in Atmos clocks. Take care.